Hi, I got my last package for a long time. I'm not sure what's in this except for a couple things. I'm just gonna, I don't have the prices, but I'll put them in the description down below. So I'm just gonna pull them out of here. Just this tiny little package. Alright, this is a bag of I think this is I'm going to start doing jewelry, making jewelry, and I think these are the wrenches and the stuff that I need for that. It's kind of heavy. Comes in a nice little case, which I wasn't expecting. Yep, they're tweezers. Let's see what I got here. Nice. This is a nice little case. There go the tweezers. 2 pairs of tweezers. I can't tell you what anything's for yet. I'm gonna have to look, but I got a jump ring thing. 3 sets of pliers, which I'm gonna need, which I know, but these other things I don't know what they are. This is nice. I didn't know it was gonna come in a case, so just keep stuff together. And then I got 2 bras, sport bras. Exactly the same thing, they're just different colors. And I like these small little baggies. They're just sport bras, they have padding in them. See, I can't remember what size I got. Extra large in both of these. And then this one's blue. They look like they'll fit, so that's good. And then the rest of this is jewelry making stuff, I believe. I have a mess over here, so that's everything's falling. Just pull these out. Alright. That's empty. So, okay, so I got earring backs. Nothing special. The metal ones. I think somewhere I've got the plastic ones too. Or they're on my wish list. I can't remember. This was a free item, I believe. I just got a whole bunch of black necklaces to put stuff, make necklaces. There's 50 in here. And on the earring backs, there's also 50 of these earring backs. So 50 earring backs, 50 necklaces. And then I got a couple of these. I think I got 4 of these. 5 of these. They're just plain bracelets. But I'm just going to put charms on. I think a couple of them are different. Like the clasp is different. But They look the same. They're snake chains, if I remember right. And then I got earring. Doesn't say how many are in this. I think 50 or 100 earring hooks. And then I honestly don't know what these are called, but you have to have them to make necklaces. These pins, and you bend the pins around, and then you hook the charm or the bead on there. I've watched some YouTube videos on it, so I just don't know what those are called. And then I got 2 of these. They're necklaces too, but they're just thinner snake chains with a lobster claw. I got 3 of these, I guess. It's the same thing. They're 24 inches long. I don't know what size I need yet, so I just got the middle size. And then I got this. I have an idea of what I want to do for some themed necklaces and earrings and stuff. But they're different. They're different. So I just wanted to, in case I didn't like it, I just wanted to try out a whole bunch of charms. So I just got a whole bunch of charms. There's 50 charms in here. Looks like there's doubles, so I can do earrings. There's a monkey, leaves. There's an elephant, a dolphin, diamonds, ocean waves, stars and moons. We'll see what I can do with this, but that's, for right now, that's what I started with. And then we'll move on to my idea for some fun necklaces, like if I like these and if I can do it. So I'll stick my Mercari link in the description too. When I get done with stuff, that's where I'm going to list things to sell. So I'll put that in there also. And I will link all of the orders. This was my last thing for this order. All of the orders in this video, I'm gonna do my best to link every single item. Or if I can find the share button, I'll just link the order link and you can find everything. So there'll be like 4 or 5 different links. If I can find that, I haven't found it yet. But that's all for now. I'm gonna figure out what to do with these. And I need to get me a case to put this stuff in, which I think I found. But for now, this is a good start, I think. So, I'll keep you guys updated on my progress on this if you want me to. So for now, I gotta get ready for lunch. So I will be back sometime with another video. I'm not gonna do TEMU for a while now unless I get like a case to put all this stuff in. That's the only thing I can really think of. So that's it for now. I will talk to everybody later. I'll try to read my comments. All right, bye.